Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. What do you do with your 2025 GMC Yukon when you hit this button and nothing happens? Your power tailgate doesn't open. What about if you come up here and you push this button and it doesn't open automatically? Now you can use that button to open it manually no matter the situation, if the battery died or the battery in the remote died or something like that. But here's how to fix this problem. It's actually very easy. If you ever have trouble with that power tailgate opening, this is the very first thing you need to check out. And it has to do with this dial right here. And you'll notice that it has off, 3/4, and max. I'm gonna set that back to max right there. And we're gonna go back here and we're going to push this button again on the remote and let you see that it does indeed open now. You can see the lights flashing, everything is happening. Very easy to deal with. Hope that helps you out and maybe makes things a little bit simpler for you, saves you a trip to the dealership. If there's a certain tutorial on these 25 Yukons you would like to see me make a video on, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.